what is the difference between a majzub and salik? These are two terms.
Majzub is a person who is not in full command of his senses. Some majzub are mad, and some majzub are not mad, but because of their inward self-appraisal of themselves, their introspective, shall I say, introspective study of themselves and their evils and their crimes, they become majzub, and they are inward looking. But common people consider all majzub as pious people. It's not true. Some majzub are evil and mad and evil as well, and some majzub are godly people. So it has to be differentiated between type of majzub by their habits, by their culture. Some majzub indulge in invectives against the people, and people think they are a great majzub. They are not the right majzub at all. The truly godly majzub speak softly, and they never indulge any dirty language at all. And salik means one who travels a path. So any person who travels the path of spirituality or religion is called a salik. It all depends upon the type of person he is. Some salikin are wayward and do it for show, but some salikin are truly salikin, and they travel the path of Allah to a great height.
যে লেখা একটি অত্যন্ত জনপ্রিয় নজম আমি পেশ করছি। वक्त कम है बहुत है काम चलो मलगजी हो रही है शाम चलो शाम चलो जिंदगी इस तरह तमाम हो जिंदगी इस तरह तमाम न हो काम रह जाए ना तमाम चलो काम रह जाए ना तमाम चलो कह रहा है खराम बदसबा जब तलक दम चले मुदाम चलो जब तलक दम चले मुदाम चलो रोजे सुबह महबे सफर हो शाम चलो.
You sung very well. Next time, in next class inshallah, you can read the full poem as you like. And now we don't have the time for translation. Next time we will do it. You've done very well. MashaAllah.